The path to trading real money starts here. Once you pass the Topstep Trading Combine, you earn an Express Funded Account, or XFA. This is a big accomplishment, but it isn't the finish line. The Express Funded Account is a funded evaluation where you can earn payouts while our risk team evaluates your trading for a call up to a live funded account. Just like the Trading Combine, you're trading in a simulated environment using real-time market data. You have the same maximum loss limit, but there is no profit target. Instead, the goal is to work towards payouts and prove you can grow the account with real money on the line. Here's how it works. Traders have up to 5 Express Funded accounts at once. You can trade them individually, or Topstep allows you to easily link the accounts and copy trade across 2 or more XFAs at once. Your account balance starts at 0. You're allowed to trade into a negative balance down to the maximum loss limit. As you grow the account balance, your maximum loss limit trails up based on your end of day profits until it hits 0. Once your maximum loss limit reaches 0, it locks and becomes the lowest your account can go. From that point forward, the account must be managed like a real trading account and cannot hit 0. As a Topstep funded trader, if you can manage risk and grow the account, you'll have the opportunity to request payouts. There are 2 paths to payouts to choose from. The standard path, 5 winning days of $150 unlock payouts of up to 50% of your account balance with a maximum payout of $5,000 per request per account. The consistency path, 3 trading days with a 40% consistency target unlock payouts of up to 50% of your account balance with a maximum payout of $6,000 per request per account. Both paths have 90-10 profit splits with you keeping 90% and are built to reward your progress depending on your trading style. Show our risk team you can trade with discipline and earn multiple payouts, and you may be considered for a call up to a live funded account. Manage risk, stay consistent, earn payouts, and work towards trading live with real money. That's the Express Funded Account.